guys, I think I'm almost done packing for the summer. What are some of the fun things y'all have planned? I got poo-poo stains in my underwears. Okay. Are you gonna get more underwear this summer? What happened to your eye? Why is it all red? Well, I sneezed really hard and I could taste sound. You taste the sound? Well, actually, sound doesn't have a flavor, but it can be associated with something that has a flavor. Well, I think I just tasted the sound of Tyler's fart, and it tastes just like a tuna sandwich.
It probably tastes like that because I had tuna fish.
Ooh.